Hello everyone. If you have a screen door or window and there is a gap beneath the door, and this gap is kind of leaking cold air or insects, such things like that. So this video is just a quick way to fix this gap without removing anything or replacing anything. I'm using quickset, drywall quickset. This quickset, it is dry in about 40 minutes, and also it's waterproof and weatherproof. So very simple way. I'm just adding a little water, mixing it, and add to the lower of the screen door, and so it works like putty basically. It's like a filler. However, this quickset, it's made for drywall, but it's kind of a trick way. I can use it for metal. It sticks everywhere basically. You can use it on metal, aluminium, anything. It's also water resist, dry very hard, and it works fantastic. I was gonna use a filler here, but the filler is just make a big mess. A foam, like a foam filler or something, it makes a big mess, and also it takes a long time to dry. Besides, you can, like, this is not the official way to fix a gap on the door, but it's just a simple quick fix to seal the gap and preventing any cold air getting in, or insects or anything like that. And probably a lot of you might be asking, like, what are you doing, or what are you using this? It's not made for the such a fixing things like that, metal door or aluminum door or something. But you know, I learned one thing, that anything works, I basically use it. It doesn't matter if it's made for that or this. If it works, then it works, that's it. So, and you can see after 40 minutes, when this dry, it will become like a solid rock, and it works fantastic. Also, this is after like 20 minutes or so, and you can use a water with rag to sand it or clean it, you know, to get all the excess out, clean all the excess. And also there is another way. If you want to do like very good fixing way, you can paint this. If you have any white paint, black paint, or silver paint, you can paint it, and will basically blend in with the door cutter, and you can't even notice it's being filled with drywall or quickset. So this quickset, actually, it is not like a drywall mud. It's different. This quickset, it dry very hard. It's water resist. It is really strong, durable, and so yeah, I use it to fix a lot of things, like filling wood with it, filling anything. It works fantastic. Thank you so much for watching. All the best. I hope to see you next video.